Hi everyone, welcome to Joy as It Flies. I'm Teresa if you're new here, and today we are making a sourdough loaf of bread again, but this time we're taking it up a notch and it's a cheese and herb sourdough loaf. So a couple of weeks ago, I think it was, I showed you how to make a sourdough starter. Last week's video, it was how to make an everyday loaf of sourdough bread. And this week it's almost exactly the same. It's the same steps right up until we add the cheese. So it is such a simple recipe. And I know I say that every time, but it really is. If I can do it, anyone can. So that's what we're doing today. The bread is finished now and it's just cooling down. It's really important, as tempting as it is, and it is really tempting because it smells fantastic, as tempting as it is to want to cut into this now, you've got to let it cool completely. Otherwise it's just a bit too soft because of all that cheese, and I do probably put too much cheese in it, but I really like to have a good cheese flavour. So it's up to you. If you would like a milder cheese or less cheese, that's entirely up to you. This is just what I like to do, and I always find in recipes that people never add enough cheese. So that's the way I do it anyway. All there is left to do is, once this is fully cooled, is to cut into it. But I'll say it now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you are able to give this a go, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye.